promise carefully played. I believed every line you said while you danced inside my head. Pretty face, a dangerous soul, warm outside but your heart was cold. I feel deep, you played your role, left me broken, lost control. Beautiful lies, sweet disguise, fire hidden in your eyes. I gave you love, you gave me pain. Now I'm healing in the reggae rain. I stayed true, I stayed clean. You cross lines in between while I walked the honest road. You were chasing another glow. Now I see the truth so clear. Love can hurt, but I'm still here. From the ashes I arise, stronger heart, open eye. Pretty face, a dangerous soul, warm outside but your heart was cold. I feel deep, you played your role, left me broken, lost control. Beautiful lies, sweet disguise, fire hidden in your eyes. I gave you love, you gave me pain. Now I'm healing in the reggae rain. No more chains, no more lies. I let you go, I claim my life. From broken love I learned again. Peace in my heart, I rise and stand. Peace in my heart, I rise and stand. Morning sun touch my window pane, but your shadow still calls my name. I walk these streets, same old song, smile outside, inside I'm wrong. Every laugh feels out of tune, every night feels like too soon. Said I'm fine, but that's a lie. Your memory's still passing by. I'm still stuck on you, can't let go. Heart say yes, mind say no. Trying hard just to move on, but I'm gaming every dawn. I'm still stuck on you, night and day. Love like this don't fade away, even when I'm smiling through. Deep inside I'm stuck on you. Friends say time will heal the pain, but time just call your name again. Every song remind me why I fall for you. Don't ask me why. I burn the past, I try be strong, but your echoes still sing along. I walk away, then turn around. Your love still got me bound. I'm still stuck on you, can't deny. Every tear I try to hide, tell myself the truth is gone. stuck on you. Maybe one day I'll be free. Let your memory rest in peace. Till that day I sing this song, healing slow, but moving on. I'm still stuck on you. That's my truth.